Nestled along Turkey's stunning turquoise coast, Myra and Kekova offer a mesmerizing blend of ancient wonders, breathtaking coastal landscapes, and untouched serenity. This region, once a thriving part of the Lycian civilization, is now a paradise for travelers seeking both history and natural beauty. The ancient city of Myra, located near the modern town of Demre, is most famous for its Lycian rock-cut tombs, which are carved dramatically into the cliffs, like a forgotten city of the dead. These striking tombs, dating back to the 4th century BC, overlook the lush valley below, their intricate facades resembling the grand temples of ancient times. The city is also home to one of Turkey's best-preserved Roman theaters, where visitors can still walk the same stone steps that once echoed with the cheers of ancient spectators. Nearby stands the Church of St. Nicholas, dedicated to the real-life inspiration for Santa Claus, who was once the Bishop of Myra. This serene, fresco-filled church is a pilgrimage site for those fascinated by the legendary figure's historical roots. A short boat ride away lies Kekova, one of Turkey's most enchanting and mysterious destinations. Beneath the shimmering waters of the Mediterranean, the ruins of a 2,000-year-old sunken city whisper tales of an ancient past. The city, believed to have been submerged after an earthquake during the 2nd century AD, can be seen through the crystal-clear waters, where half-submerged staircases, walls, and archways hint at a once thriving civilization lost beneath the waves. Glass-bottom boat tours allow visitors to glide over this underwater world, revealing the eerie beauty of the sunken ruins without disturbing their fragile remains. For a more intimate experience, kayaking over the site offers a chance to paddle above ancient streets that now belong to the sea. Beyond history, Myra and Kekova are also perfect for relaxation and adventure. The rugged coastline is dotted with hidden coves, pristine beaches, and secluded islands, ideal for those looking to escape the crowds. Nearby, the charming fishing village of Kaleköy, ancient Samina, offers breathtaking views from its hilltop castle, as well as fresh seafood restaurants, where you can dine with your feet in the water. The region is also a paradise for snorkeling and diving, with vibrant marine life and underwater ruins adding to the magic of the experience. Whether exploring the mystical sunken city, marveling at the cliffside tombs, or simply sailing along the Turquoise coast, Myra and Kekova offer an unforgettable journey through history and nature, where ancient civilizations and the sea exist in perfect harmony.